Scientists have successfully brought dire wolves back from extinction 10,000 years later. Are they really back, though? For success, the breakthrough marks Colossal's first success in reviving an extinct species. The company actually produced hybrids of the dire wolf and contemporary wolves. Despite that, this development could represent a major turning point in the efforts of species de-extinction. Anechoin dirus, dire wolves, are not really wolves. They belong to the same taxonomic group, Canina, that includes domestic dogs, wolves, coyotes, and jackals. It's estimated that these species shared a common ancestor around 6 million years ago, making the dire wolf a close relative in evolutionary terms. Dire wolves inhabited the Americas during the late Pleistocene, with the most recent remains dating back to about 13,000 years. Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi. There are many uncertainties regarding Colossal's de-extinction process. However, the company has successfully birthed 3 offspring named Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi, and they were born October 2024. Parallel processes. According to the company, the recovery process began on 2 parallel paths. The first path involved obtaining DNA from the extinct animal. This was accomplished using remains derived from a skull and a tooth. At the same time, the team collected blood samples from a gray wolf and sequenced both DNA samples. Following this, the 2 sequences were aligned. With the available genetic information combined, the team was able to filter variants and study the genetic differences between the 2 species. This analysis allowed scientists to edit the genes of the gray wolf one by one and modify it to closely resemble the extinct dire wolf. The team made 20 alterations across 14 genes during this phase. The final stages involved cloning. After introducing the genetic alterations into a cell nucleus, researchers implanted the modified cells into reproductive cells. Interestingly, instead of using a female wolf as a surrogate, the company chose a common female dog to carry the unborn offspring. Other projects. Colossal frequently makes headlines due to its ambitious species de-extinction initiatives. Among the species targeted for revival are the mammoth, the dodo bird, and even the Tasmanian tiger. And what's at stake? De-extinction is not just a noble endeavor, it's also a significant economic implication. During the 2022 UN Conference on Biological Diversity, one key topic was digital sequence information, which encompasses genetic data gathered from nature. The genetic material in plants, animals, and unicellular organisms contains the blueprints for synthesizing several compounds. Some of them are valuable to the pharmaceutical industry. Until now, questions surrounding the intellectual property rights associated with the de-extinction of species like the mammoth were largely theoretical. However, the urgency to clarify these issues is now more pressing than ever. And this is from Sataka on DNYUZ. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.